So you got this guy, Adrian Avila. Adrian Avila, there is controversy with him because he's accused of murder, but he was released. I don't know if it's on his own recognizance or a peace bond, but he had an ankle monitor, so it was up to him to, show up for court whenever he felt like it. The New Mexico Supreme Court on Friday overturned the pre-trial release of an Albuquerque teen murder suspect, 18, accused of the February 2021 murder of Elias Otero and being one of the 4 people allegedly involved in the August 2020 shooting death of Donnie Brandon. So he's accused of killing 2 people. Elias Otero is at the security guard. This is huge news for Albuquerque. Even the police had tweeted something saying that he was at the heart of the problem because they just keep on releasing. They have a presumption of release in Albuquerque. So, because, I guess that's too fucking progressive, if that's the word you want to use. Motherfucker shot, allegedly, right? But best case scenario for him, he didn't do anything. Worst case scenario, he did do something. And so you're going to let somebody that may have done something run around, give him the best attorney, make sure he gets all the steps of the criminal procedure. Go ahead and maybe get a different venue or something. I don't know. Make sure he dresses up in a suit and tie and shit. Give him the best representation possible. Make sure he's got, whatever needs he needs while he's in jail to work on his legal stuff. Anna Dukes. Avila is one of the suspects in the murder of Elias Otero. The police say the other suspect is Anna Dukes. They demanded money, jewelry, and a gun. The victim drove to his brother Elias's home where Elias was shot and killed. Yeah, they were doing some sort of a scheme. Tricked dude and then put dude on gunpoint and then tried to get him to go to the house and get some more money. And then his brother came out to try to be a hero. And then they shot and killed Elias Otero. So R.I.P. Elias Otero. And then they said that he was also accused of the other, with the other people, right, involved in the shooting death of Donnie Brandon at Sandia Vista Park. Police said he was charged in this case just last week. First happened August 2020. So, that's what he's accused of. This is what he's doing with his free time. Hey, what are you doing with your free time? You're going to go get a job? You're going to encourage people to go vote? You're going to register people to vote? No, you're going to point guns at people and rob them and then kill their brothers if they don't, have enough money in their pocket when you point a gun at them? They said that Judge Whitaker said the prosecutors had credible evidence to charge Avila for the crimes, but they didn't prove no conditions of release could protect the community. Judge Whitaker granted Avila's release on strict conditions, including GPS monitoring and curfew. Yeah, no, that's a huge fucking problem. If people could just shoot people and then they're just back on the goddamn streets, the next goddamn day. This is ridiculous. This is, can you get worse of a crime? This... The family, Alicia Otero, the mother of Elias Otero, told Cobb 4 she's taking comfort in the New Mexico Supreme Court's decision to put her son's accused killer behind bars. I'm so filled with joy knowing that the community is going to be safer and lives will probably be saved because he is going to be going back to jail. I don't feel that it's a safe procedure to let people that have charges as serious as homicide out on an ankle monitor. Yeah, that's like common sense. Alicia said Albuquerque Police Chief Harold Medina called her Friday to tell her about the High Court's decision. There's a sense of relief, particularly for the victims' families who've been on edge ever since the suspect was released. I appreciate the Supreme Court for reaching a conclusion based on the danger to the community. This decision allows all parties to focus on the prosecution and justice for the victims who lost their lives. Yeah. So, Albuquerque, New Mexico. It's a good first step. Oof. Criminals do need love, but the victims need love first. You need to love the victims first. You gotta love the victims first. You got to love the victims first. One dude, attacks other dude. Immediately you're gonna say, hey, Will Smith, it's okay. It's fine. Hey, you'll be fine. Comfort the person that just perpetuated the crime. You're gonna comfort the... Meanwhile, he's reeling and he's by himself, and it's like, what the fuck, And, yeah, I feel like justice for that is just to let, tit for tat, let Chris hit him back. Anyways, what am I trying to say? You got to take care of the victim first. You got to take care of the victim first. So, yeah. I would err on the side of caution. If his due process rights have been infringed, then let him sue later on. But most likely, if they got the evidence to charge him, then, he may be guilty of this crime. We're going to put it in front of a jury, see what a jury thinks. And if a jury thinks that he killed, one or two people, then he's not going to leave jail, probably for the rest of his life. And with those high stakes, too, the stakes are so high, he's looking at life in jail. So really it makes, a lot of sense to... it's crazy that the system of Albuquerque has to go through this, to be honest with you. That's insane. It's good that, people have rights in Albuquerque, or maybe the lawyers are really good or something. I don't know what the hell is going on there, because crime is bullshit. You got to take care of the victims first. Can we, why don't you change your jail procedure? Have a jail like Norway. Norway's got some progressive jails. So you got to go to jail, but it's like a library, right? So it's not really like a punishment. It's just, stay in jail, and it's nice plush. You could walk on the lawn, and so yeah, there. If you're being progressive, it makes no sense to just say let all the criminals back out on the street just because who gives a fuck? Whoop do you fucking do? That makes no sense. Crime is bullshit. Crime is bullshit. Fuck a criminal motherfucker, right? We're all having a good time, and then Chris Rock gets smacked for what? Now we all gotta say shit. What the fuck? And so, you got to take care of the victim first. Does a criminal need love? Yeah, I guess, down the road. But once the victim is taken care of, make sure the victim is safe. Make sure you picked up the victim. Make sure you brushed the dirt off their shoulder. Then you pursue justice. And it's fucking murder. There's lots of murders in Albuquerque, so shit. This is good news.